All right, it's March 28th, 2024. I think this is video part 21, under the wing 79 in progress. I added 3 more small allegorical sea monsters. One there, 2 up there, and ooh, look at this. Madman. Face, eyes, and mouth, like ah. All right, to be continued. So, I also added some stitches here on the fabric of her jacket or coat. And so next is what I have to figure out, decide what I'm going to do over there. All right, to be continued. I hear feedback over there. Okay, budgies. Sleep time in 45 minutes, okay? Have some more din-din over there. All right, to be continued. We're listening to King Classic Radio here. Nice music.